How nice are these flowers looking? Got the clock on the wall as well. So I'm ready to leave the house. I'm going to buy cinema tickets for this evening so that we don't have to queue up later. And then I'm going to go on to Sha Khe Wan and get a bus to Big Wave Bay, to the beach. So it kind of looks sunny outside, a bit cloudy where I am, but I think just around the corner is sunny. So I think it's just the buildings blocking the sun. And then, yeah, we'll see how it is at the beach. I'll just hang out there for a couple of hours and head back. So, yeah. Let's go. Surfing. There actually are quite big waves. Okay, so that's Big Wave Bay where I just was. And I'm just walking over the rocks to see the ancient rock carving which was found in 1970. It's out to the ocean. It's a bit windy today, so the waves are pretty big. There's lots and lots of surfers. Pause on this if you want to read about it. But here's the rock climbing. I mean, rock carving. It's just got this like line etched in. They don't seem to know what it means or who did it and when, but they think maybe around the same time as the Bronze Age, 3,000 years ago. And then you can just walk straight out into the ocean here. Waves are pretty rough, and there's all the surfers. Here's me at the ocean. There's the beach. So I'm really hungry now. I'm going to go and find some food either here or head back my way home. I kind of underestimated how big the waves would be, so I don't really want to do much swimming. I just get too scared. I'm not brave enough to swim in the waves, and there's lots of people surfing, so I don't want to get in the way. And I also don't like leaving my stuff on the beach, so I'm just a bit nervous. So yeah, I had a bit of a swim, sat in the sun for about an hour, and it was perfect. It's getting busier now. I think people have, some kids have finished school and stuff, so there's people coming. So I'm just going to head back. So I'm going to be back to watch The Martian at 7:30.